Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Imam Iklasul Hakim. 2010953018. Uh, Power transmission line. Power transmission line is used to transmit electrical power from the generator station or power plant to the distribution station until it reaches the consumer. Electricity. Electric power transmission is the bulk movement of electrical energy from a generating site, such as a power plant, to an electrical substation. The interconnected line which facilitate this movement are known as a transmission network. This is distinct from the local wiring between high voltage substation and customer, which is typically referred to as electric power distribution. The combined transmission and distribution network is part of electricity delivery, known as the electrical grid. Efficient long-distance transmission of electric power require high voltage. This reduces the losses produced by heavy current transmission line, mostly use high voltage say or alternating current. But an important class of transmission line use high voltage direct current. The voltage level is changed with transformers, stepping up the voltage from transmission, then reducing voltage for local distribution and then used by customer. A wide area synchronous grid, also known as an interconnection in North America, directly connects many generators, delivering AC power with the same relative frequency to many consumers. For example, there are four major interconnections in North America: Western Interconnection, the Eastern Interconnection, the Quebec Interconnection, and Texas Interconnection. In Europe, one large grid connects most of continental Europe. Most transmission lines are high voltage three-phase alternating current, although single phase AC or alternative current is sometimes used in railway electrification system. A voltage direct current technology is used for greater efficiency over very long distance. HFDC technology is also used in submarine power cables longer than 30 miles or 50 kilometers, and in the interchange of power between grids that are not mutually synchronous. Electricity is transmitted at high voltage to reduce the energy loss which occurs in long distance transmission, or is usually transmitted through overhead power lines. Underground power transmission has a significantly higher installation cost and greater operational limitation, but reduced maintenance costs. Underground transmission is sometimes used in urban areas or environmentally sensitive locations. A lack of electrical energy storage facilities in transmission system leads to a key limitation. Electrical energy must be generated at the same rate at which it is consumed. A sophisticated control system is required to ensure that the power generation very closely matches the demand. If demand for power exceeds supply, the imbalance can cause generation plants and transmission equipment to technically disconnected or shut down to prevent damage in the worst case. In the worst case, this may lead to cascading series of shutdown and a major regional blackout. Transmission line type. First, extra high voltage air line, and high voltage cable line. Extra high voltage air line, the main voltage range is in the range of 5,000 kilovolt. As the high voltage air lines, the main voltage range is in the range of 5,000 kilovolt. The main purpose of using high voltage range is because the distribution system and electrical voltage in Indonesia are wide. Then it can minimize voltage drops due to long distance electrical power. So it will be a problem if the voltage is not in the high voltage range. Uh, the electric power distribution system serves to distribute electric power to consumer. Talking about the electric power distribution and transmission system, it is not just talking about one component. And then high voltage airline, or in Indonesia is called that SUTT. Uh, Electric power lines that use or bare conductor in the air have voltage above 35 kilovolt. Ground cable line or transmission line. Okay, high voltage cable line or underground cable line. A transmission line that channels electrical energy through cable buried in the ground. This category of channel is favorite for installation in the city because it is located in the ground. It doesn't interfere with beauty of the city and is also not easy to disturb due to weather condition or natural condition. However, it still has disadvantage, including expensive installation and investment, and the difficulty of determining the point of disruption and improvement. That was my presentation about for transmission line. My name is Imam Ikhlas Hakim. Thank you for watching on my presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.